We're taking a boat cruise. Yay! Got our life jackets.
Looking super
Got
cute.
our Chinese man. Nice. Wow. Wow. So the guy just said that we're about to get a little wet and we're about to go over a waterfall.
Yep.
And I don't know how I feel. I don't. He's just chilling. We're just chilling. We have to go over the waterfall.
It's coming up now.
Stay tuned. Okay, we're going. Oh my god. What if I drop my phone?
Don't drop your phone.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Update. Got my glasses a little wet. Anastasia, your butt's wet, right?
Very wet.
Oh yeah. He's screaming. We're all screaming. We're having a grand old time.
I'll probably just steal some of the pictures too.
Okay, so we just met up with a ton of people. This is what we're floating on. Whole lot of nothing. For 2 hours. The view's amazing though.
Splashing her.
Oh. So we're just chilling. And one, they're splashing each other. Oh my god. And we hear another waterfall.
Here we go.
I hope it goes better than the first one. So this one's a lot bigger than the first one. I'm very nervous. Here we go. I'm not ready. Oh god. Oh. Put your legs up. Put your legs up. Oh. I didn't get as wet that time. Let's just take a moment. This is incredible. Are you having fun yet?
So much fun.
How much fun?
I'm soaked, so it's so much fun.
Perfect. We're about to go over another waterfall.
What number is this?
3?
3.
3, and I'm just not ready. Like,
I think I'm ready now.
this one feels like it's gonna be bad, but I said that about the last one. But here we go. We're going. I just don't want to. Oh, I'm scared. I really. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh.
Ah!
Oh my god.
Ah! Oh my god. Oh my god. That wasn't that bad at all.
Nope.
I didn't get wet. He's just rowing away. We're just chilling. So as you can see, we are going to slalom in a raft made of bamboo stalks.
You're off to number 4?
Yes, this is number 4, and I'm still not ready.
Nope.
I'm freaking
make
out.
it?
This looks. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy what?
Oh my god.
What is happening? Put your feet up. Oh my god. I thought we were done. This is number 5. Here we go. Oh, this is exhausting. It's gonna be worse, maybe. I'm stressed. I'm not holding on. 6.
Here we go.
We're going. Oh, put your feet up.
Like a little chocolate on my head.
We're getting better at this.
We are.
先生，你好，你叫什么名字？
啊，谁叫？我叫。
我叫科尔。
你叫什么名字？
小姓朱啊。
小心苏。
朱小。
好。
我叫朱。叫我朱师傅就行了。
I don't understand most of this. 我们是英文老师。
你在哪里读书的？
我们是英文老师。
英文老师啊。
对。
对。
在哪里上教书？
重庆。I think this is number 7. I'm not sure. Oh. Here we go. That was very anticlimactic. Oh. Are you gonna take photos? Oh no. Oh. We are coming in at a bad angle.
A little bit.
Oh. I don't know where my.
Oh, make it hurt.
Oh.